hail coming down again. A little bit. Wind is coming up now. You can hear in the distance the thunder. That's hail and wind. And it's at the farm right now is where it's at. Should call my dad and see what he's getting for storms. Ooh, look at them nasty clouds. Wind clouds. A little hail here, lots of rain and lots of electricity. Still. Still got power here, lots of rain, wind is picking up now, I told him. See that cloud there? It's darker than it looks on the screen. That's usually, oh yeah, there's hail. And see, it's gray and green there, that cloud. Worst if it's over where my dad's at right now. That's the inflow. You can, if the camera will focus, you can see the inflow right there. That's the inflow, and it's just circling back in the cloud there. It's north of us. Looks like, yeah, rotation right there. See that stuff going up in the cloud there? See it? She's rotating too. Look at that. The camera can't focus, but it's going up in the cloud. It's forming something there. Disappeared now, but that's north of us, that stuff. There's a little hook on there.
Lightning has been detected near your location.
Yeah, I know, I can see that. There it is, there's more stuff coming up there. I won't focus on it. You can see it going up in the cloud there? That is spooky. Looks like a funnel is gonna start. Almost looks like it. There's another one forming over there. See it? Look at that one there. It's almost like a tornado. But it's, I don't think it is. It's just outflow probably, or inflow. Some wind. Look at them gray thing. It might be. Comes the wind. It's going to the ground, whatever that is. A lot of gray stuff coming up there. See it there? It's going up to that cloud there. Oh, it's all coming this way again. Look at that. You can see it. It's all coming this way. Let's see if we're gonna update the. Got electricity back now. Windier than heck and raining. Yeah, we got a lot of rotation up there. See it? I just struck over there. Shit, I missed it. Yeah, there's a notch on there too, right over there where that thing's at, right there. Watch for tornadoes. I'm not going on my deck.